How to fix Instagram followers stuck. Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram followers stuck easy and fast. So first thing you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone as you can see right here. After you open the settings on your phone, now all what you have to do is just go to the wireless and networks and then go to the airplane mode and disable it, enable it and disable it again. Now go back, go to the apps manager, go to apps, scroll down until you find Instagram, and after you find Instagram, now all what you have to do here is very simple. Click on force stop and then go to the data usage and make sure to enable all those options right here. Go back, click on storage. Now make sure to click on clear cache and clear data. Now all what you have to do is open the Play Store and search for Instagram like this and click here on this update. And that's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and thank you so much for watching.